Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a customized cutout on CapCut PC. Follow these instructions carefully as we go step by step. To begin, make sure you have imported a photo or video into CapCut. Once you've done that, drag the file onto the editing timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, take a look at the options available on the right-hand side under the Video section. You'll see options such as Basic, Remove BG, Mask, and Retouch. For this tutorial, we are focusing on the Remove BG tool. Click on Remove BG, and you'll see several options. These include Chroma Key and Auto Removal. Let me explain how these work. The Auto Removal option automatically detects a subject, usually a portrait, and removes the background for you. It's straightforward to use. Simply click on Auto Removal, and you'll see the background disappear, leaving only the main subject of your photo or video. However, it's important to note that the Customized Removal feature, where you can manually refine or adjust the Remove BG, is not currently available on the PC version of CapCut. This feature is only available on the mobile version for now, and even there, it may not always work perfectly. So if you're looking for fine-tuned customization, you may need to wait for an update to the PC version. Next, let's discuss the Chroma Key option. This is ideal for removing green screens or specific background colors. To use it, click on Chroma Key and then select Color Picker. Choose the background color you want to remove. After selecting the color, increase the Strength slider to remove the background. You can adjust this slider until the background is completely gone, leaving only your main subject. If you're working with a green screen, this process is especially effective. Just ensure your background is a solid color for the best results. After applying either Auto Cutout or Chroma Key, you can proceed with any additional edits, such as adding new backgrounds or effects. That's how you can use the Cutout feature on CapCut PC to remove backgrounds quickly and easily. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.